Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper, and friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily open Task Manager in your Windows 11. So keep watching. In this video I will show you 7 methods to open Task Manager in Windows 11. So friend, first thing first, we are going to follow first method to open Task Manager. So here we are using keyboard shortcut, okay, to open Task Manager. So first thing first, you simply press Ctrl, Shift and Escape key and hold it. So you will get this Task Manager, right? So friend, here you can see that this is my Task Manager, and by this way you can open it. Right now I'm going to show you the second method to open Task Manager. So what you will do, you will right click on the start button. So here you can see this is the start button. You simply right click on it, and here you will get this Task Manager. You simply click on it, so your Task Manager will open. So friend, now you can see that Task Manager is open. So now we are going to move third method to open Task Manager. So what you will do, here we are going to close it, and here we are going to press Window and S. So when we press Window S key, then this will open, and here we are going to simply search Task Manager. Okay, so now you can see that my Task Manager is open now. Now friend, I'm going to show you the fourth method to open Task Manager. Okay, so what you will do, simply press your keyboard shortcut Window plus R. So you will get this run program option, and here you simply search or type Task MGR. When you type Task MGR, then automatically my Task Manager will open. Now friend, I'm going to show you the fifth method to open Task Manager. So friend, here we are using Windows Explorer. Okay, so here we are going to open Windows Explorer, and now we are going to type here. This is the navigation bar, and here we are going to type C colon then backslash Windows, and then again backslash system32. Here you can see that system32, and then enter. Okay, so here you will redirect here, and here you can simply search or type task. Okay, so when you type, or you can simply here backslash and then task mgr.exe. You can see here, when you click on it, then automatically my Task Manager will open. Now friend, I'm going to show you the sixth method to open Task Manager. Okay, so here we are going to press start button, and here we are going to type cmd. Okay, automatically here you will see this command prompt. You simply run as an administrator, and now you can simply type task mgr. So when you type task mgr, then automatically Task Manager will open. Now I'm going to show you the another method to do that. Here you can simply search Window key and then search PowerShell. Okay, so when you search power, then you will get this PowerShell. You simply open it, and you will get this PowerShell option, and here you can simply type task mgr. So when you type task mgr, then automatically this Task Manager will open. Now friend, I'm going to show you the another method, and check it out, it's working or not, so you will get the idea about it. Stay tuned. Now friend, I'm going to show you another method to open Task Manager. Okay, so here we are going to right click on the task bar, and here you will get this Task Manager option. You simply click on it, so automatically your Task Manager will open. Now friend, I'm going to show you another method to open Task Manager. So what you will do, Ctrl alter and delete. When you press here, then you will get this option. You then simply click on this task manager, so this will open. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily open task manager with the many ways. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please comment me below and also click on like button, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. And if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.